Hi guys, so I am at Union Station and I'm about to leave for New York City. We've got our bags right here and we've got some Taco Bell to go. Hi guys, so we made it to New York. We got in pretty late last night. Our bus was delayed, but we're here in my aunt's apartment. She lives in Chelsea, so it's a really nice area. But yeah, she has a 1-bedroom. It's awesome. I'll just show you guys really quick. I know. That's the kitchen. So they have like a full kitchen, and then seating area, living room with like huge windows, TV. It's great. Books. Full bathroom. It's like really big, so it's pretty awesome. I think she has it like rent controlled or something. This is the bedroom. It's kind of messy right now. I'll see if I can get a better thing later, but there's also a TV here. And yeah, anyway, that's it. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. I am super glad that I can stay here whenever I'm in town. Yeah, so I have my own key and she's really great and I'm just happy to be here. But yeah, we're gonna go thrifting right now, just hit a few thrift shops, have some breakfast, and just kind of walk around town. We're going to a cool event tonight. It's like a Star Trek improv show, all women. It's gonna be really cool. I'm not wearing anything really exciting. This top's just from By the Way from Revolve. It's actually a bodysuit. Yeah, I just have it tucked in. And then these jeans are from Zara. I'm gonna be wearing my white sneakers, Tretorn, and just have silver jewelry on. So yeah, really fun, really exciting. We want some Mary's Bagels. Got an everything bagel with cream cheese. There's a thing called the Barbie. That's so funny. I'm gonna show you right now, actually. Oh. Hi guys, so I'm on the High Line right now and it's really pretty. My aunt's apartment where we're staying is actually like right next to it. So yeah, it's just really beautiful. It's really green. I'll show you guys now. There's Jake ahead of me pretending he doesn't know me while I record. Rude. And that's Zaha Hadid's building. Ariana Grande actually lives in there, so that's funny. It is a really outstanding building actually. I think the word for that is a teapot, Jake.
No, a teapot is what you make tea in. A kettle is what boils water.
Yeah. What does it say on it?
It says Putin's useful idiot, National Russian asset, NRA. Lock and load.
I love that.
America with 3Ks at first with 2 S's and then compressing the enemy.
That's so funny. Hi guys, so we got back from thrifting and doing stuff all day. It was really awesome, it was a lot of fun. And then I came home and I took a nap. So we're gonna go out right now to get a drink and then we're gonna go and see a improv show. So that's gonna be really cool. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing. Let me just set you guys down. So first is this Theory top. It's this black long silk or polyester mix or something like that. It's really soft top. I just tucked it into some Zara jeans. And then let me just show you my shoes. Oh, and then I'm wearing vintage jewelry that it's my aunt's, and then some earrings from Princess Polly. So yeah, this is the full outfit. It's all black. I wanted to add some color, but it just didn't happen. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. It's all wet on the outside. There's a man in the middle of the street. Okay, so we're just going out to a flea market today, and then going to see my family and go to like, what's it called? The big park? Anyway, we're gonna go walk around with them and spend some time with them and get lunch. But yeah, I'm just wearing my aunt's necklace, and then this linen dress from an Australian brand. I forgot what it is. I'll put it in the video. And then I'm wearing my Tretorn sneakers just for comfort. But yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
you want to take a picture? We can take a picture of the side.
Huh? This couch is awesome. It's the velvet chair and the ottoman.
By the way, I asked my parents for some advice on Christmas presents.
Yeah.
This was, don't worry about it, my dad's response was,
So many things to look at. It is. It's not great. It is really pretty.
It is. At night, the lights on. This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, that's super odd.
And then I have a tough time with it because she is the sweetest person.
Huh?
not balcony.
So cool.
Also, someone's apartment's in there, I think.
A perfect Saturday night. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so it's our last day in New York and I just got ready this morning. I had my coffee and now we're just going to head to a Ukrainian diner. So get some pierogies and things like that, and then we'll probably walk through Soho and then head back up and go to Hudson Yards. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and yeah, I'm a little bit sad to be leaving today, but back to work I go. So, you know, yeah, I'll just show you what I'm wearing. So I have this Madewell hair or scarf in my head, on my head, in my hair. I'm wearing my aunt's necklace again, as I said. Just got makeup on, you know. I'm not wearing any earrings, I don't think, today, just because of the hair on my hair. And then now I'll show you my outfit, which is not that exciting, but yeah. So I am just wearing, like I said, the headband. I'm wearing this linen Zara shirt, which is going to be great since it's pretty hot today. And I just want to feel cool. And then I'm wearing these white Joy shorts. I think I got them on sale or I thrifted them. Either way, they were only like $30 instead of like $150 or whatever they usually sell these for. And then I'm wearing my white Tretorn sneakers just because we're walking a lot and it makes sense. But yeah, really excited for the day. I'll see you later.
Had it for 2 years. That's right, because there's a couple of years where I ate a lot more of this.
Currently in a thrift shop. A lot of cool items. Last few hours in New York City. There's all this cool stuff as well.